everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to select multiple pages in Canva using simple steps. Let's use this project as an example. First, open the project in Canva. You will notice that the project consists of multiple pages. Click on the grid view icon located in the bottom right corner. This will display all the pages in a grid view. There are 3 methods to select multiple pages. Method 1. Click on a blank area, hold and drag to create a selection box around the pages you want to select. Method 2. Click on the first page you want to select, hold down the Shift key, and then click on the last page you want to select. This will select all pages in between. Method 3. Hold down the Ctrl key, Command key on Mac and individually click on the pages you want to include in the selection. And there you have it. You have successfully selected multiple pages in Canva. Thank you for watching.